Any YouTube channel videos, how to increase the views using by SEO, search engine optimization. So first of all, we have the multiple videos are there. So yeah, everything. So I'm selecting for this option. Any promote by your YouTube channel. First of all, we can select option for the three options. The option called is three, except social media. So coming to share, first of all, copy the title, share. In this option call, we can use option call is three options. One is Reddit, R-E-D-D-I-T, Reddit. Second will be using by Tumblr. Third using by the begin options. So we will be using by mix. Every option will be there. We can use only for three option by the in the below option. Reddit, Tumblr and mix. So this one. First you can select by Reddit. Account was created before, click the Reddit option. You can promote by simply in your video. One video you can promote by using Reddit in number of keywords. Your wish. So in this I'm creating community. Paste it. My post and click for poster option. This is the first keyword. Done. After done this one, click for save. Any people copy this URL, now click by our YouTube link. This is called promote our video with your keyword option. There are two benefits. Promote video with the multiple keywords. Same one. I'm selected. Changing for different title. Copy. Edit. Same video I'm changing for title. Same video I'm changing for title. Submit it. Change it. Same video I'm changing for multiple title. Promote by the right option. Using this option will be here. The Reddit. Next one, Tumblr. Open the tumblr.com. In the share option is not visible by the Tumblr. There was a failure of the button here. That is confusing by this one. Copy the YouTube URL. Also you can use the Tumblr. The problem is called sometimes is facing by embed problems. Sometimes it's facing by embed problem. So that is called I'm not using by this post option. The video is clear. You will showing. You will not show it. You can use the option called is that you can use it by Tumblr. Playlist. Click for post. Unless we can use it by direct Tumblr option. Two options. When that below share button is not working, you can use the direct posting for Tumblr. That is called video option. Video and the link we can use two. Link is called multiple keyword purpose. Video will be also will be same. Next one. In this we can use option call is here. That is called by mix. Add your option. Write down your type of name. Name is your keyword. Any keyword will promote by your SEO. Copy. Paste. Create. When it relevant, you will be there. Add by relevant your options. Click for done. Each video add by multiple playlists. Can directly select it, paste your YouTube URL, click for post, add your keywords. Anything will be possible. Next one, Instapaper. The website we can using by below YouTube videos, Mix, Tumblr and Reddit. Next website we can using by SEO, Instapaper, Getpocket, Scoopit. These are all websites using by the SEO ranking for particular videos. Simple option. Select the YouTube link, add link, just paste it. What are the keyword you can use on title, description, automatically they will index by your Instapaper. It's done. Now refresh. After posting option, you can click by refresh. How many website can posting automatically generated by the promote your YouTube videos? Next will be Getpocket. These all website will be very important to promote your videos. Select it, add URL, paste it. After this one, refresh. What are title description based on? The video will be generating for promote your keywords. In SEO purpose of generating for strong backlink on particular website. Same like Foca.com. Just log in your site. Anything will be login required. Add link, copy, save a video, click for submit. On submit time, sometimes description will be or will be not created. Copy, paste, and tags. I'm not a robot. Click for save changes. That is our video will be promoting here. These all options will be there. Same like Scoopit, so many websites are there. You can promote your list. This is called promote your SEO to the generating for strong backlinks on the particular search engine optimization. This is a very important to promote your video views. That is called search engine optimization. That is the option is called social bookmarkings.